5 service consumption measures what? A. Product design specifications. B. Usage value delivered to business. C. Code deployment. D. Idea creation. Answer: B. Usage value delivered to business. 6. The business portfolio of services appears in which domain? A. Service delivery. B. Service consumption. C. Manage portfolio. D. Design and planning. Answer: C. Manage portfolio. 7. Critical reference data, users, groups, locations, fall under which area? A. Foundation. B. Service delivery. C. Build and integration. D. Ideation. Answer: A. Foundation. 8. Idea becomes deployable solution occurs in which stage? A. Ideation. B. Design and planning. C. Build and integration. D. Consumption. Answer: C. Build and integration. 9. Deployed service instances and discoverable components belong to which area? A. Ideation. B. Build and integration. C. Service delivery. D. Foundation. Answer: C. Service delivery. 10. Which stage feeds back to ensure goal alignment? A. Service consumption. B. Build. C. Ideation. D. Delivery. Answer: A. Service consumption. 1. Which personas are involved across multiple CSDM domains? Select 3 answers: A. Process owner. B. Enterprise architect. C. Service provider, delivery, D. Data model administrator. Answer: A, B, C. 2. Which persona is linked specifically with ideation and strategy? Select 2 answers: A. Chief strategist. B. Business relationship manager. C. Service instance owner. D. Product owner. Answer: A and D. 3. Which persona typically owns the life cycle and compliance of data? A. Data steward. B. Portfolio owner. C. Contract manager. D. Employee. Answer: A. Data steward. 4. Which domain includes business capability and business application? A. Foundation. B. Design and planning. C. Build and integration. D. Service delivery. Answer: B. Design and planning. 5. Dynamic CI groups belong to which domain? Answer: C. Service delivery. 6. Product ideas and planning items appear in which domain? A. Service delivery. B. Service consumption. C. Ideation and strategy. D. Build and integration. Answer: C. Ideation and strategy. 7. Which domain includes information objects? A. Design and planning. B. Build and integration. C. Foundation. D. Service delivery. Answer: A. Design and planning. 8. Which domain contains technology management offerings? A. Build and integration. B. Service delivery. C. Service consumption. D. Ideation and strategy. Answer: B. Build and integration. 9. The service delivery system object appears in which domain? A. Service delivery. B. Build and integration. C. Service consumption. D. Foundation. Answer: A. Service delivery. 10. Which domain contains sold product and install base item? A. Service delivery. B. Service consumption. C. Manage portfolio. D. Foundation. Answer: B. Service consumption. 11. Which are examples of physical life cycle values introduced in CSDM 5? Select 3 answers: A. Ordered. B. In stock. C. Operational. D. Retired. Answer: A, B, D. 12. Which are logical life cycle values? Select 3 answers: A. Defined. B. Designed. C. Developing. D. Warehoused. Answer: A, B, C. 13. Which domain uses strategic plans, goals, and value statements? A. Design and planning. B. Ideation and strategy. C. Build and integration. D. Service delivery. Answer: B. Ideation and strategy. 14. Which CSDM domain uses business capability to scope future design work? A. Service delivery. B. Ideation and strategy. C. Design and planning. D. Service consumption. Answer: C. Design and planning. 15. SBOM, Software Bill of Materials, is associated with which domain? S. Select 2 answers: A. Foundation. B. Build and integration. C. Service delivery. D. Ideation and strategy. Answer: A and B. 16. Technology management services should be. Select 2 answers: A consumer-focused, B provider-focused, C operational sys, D non-operational sys. Answer, B and C. 17 business services should be, select 2 answers, A consumer or self-focused, B provider-focused, C operational sys, D version-specific. Answer, A and C. 18 A service instance replaces which class as its base? A application service, B business application, C technology service, D service offering. Answer, A application service. 19 AI application and API data model appear under which area? A build and integration, B service delivery tech workflow, C ideation, D foundation. Answer, B service delivery tech workflows. 20 Which products use service delivery data? Select all answers, A ITOM Health, B SEC Ops, C CSMD SPM. Answer, A, B, C, D. 21 Which domain includes service builder and service portfolio management? A service consumption, B build and integration, C foundation, D design and planning. Answer, A service consumption. 23 Which portfolio lenses belong to SPM? Select 3 answers, A value stream, B project program, C strategic investments, D technology providers. Answer, A, B, C. 24 Which product lines map to products and services? Select 3 answers, A streaming services, B cars, C POS systems, D HR systems. Answer, A, B, C. 25 Which map to technical services in the portfolio structure? Select 3 answers, A network services, B storage services, C IaaS and POS, D HR onboarding. Answer, A, B, C. 26 Tool chains and delivery automation examples include, select 3 answers, A robots, B compilers, C sensors, D HR payroll functions. Answer, A, B, C. 27 Which domain is emphasized at the run stage of the legacy crawl walk run fly model? A business services, B technology management services, C business capability, D information object. Answer, A business services. 28 Which domain is emphasized at the fly stage? Select 2 answers, A business capability, B information object, C service instances, D dynamic CI groups. Answer, A and B. 29 Which approach focuses on a specific single outcome? A domain-centric, B stepwise, C outcome-centric, D hybrid. Answer, C outcome-centric. 30 A challenge of outcome-centric approach is, select 2 answers, A islands of data, B slow time to value, C hard to obtain resources, D doesn't account for all use cases. Answer, A and D.